Mommy! 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 Watch out, you have the door open. Mommy! You're not there. Mommy not there. Oh, mommy gone. Oh, man, you see, man.
Kuy.
Oh, God.
Son, this your time, man.
Watch out.
What's
Mommy.
here?
Oh,
Kuya.
God.
What kind of breeze bring you here, sir?
Just I look for a while ago.
Me?
Just come down a while ago. I'm left me bag up there, so I don't see you. So I say, I come look for you.
Oh, God, baby, me glad to see you. Oh, God, of course, we miss you. We just stand up there in a shop, coming into the sun, man. We whoa, but you never phone me and tell me, say, you come. Me never prepare nothing for you. You know, so me would have put on a pot and everything and cook your favorite and everything.
Mommy, up there just boring, so I just say, you know what? Come boss and tell me, boss, say, boss, you can have me 2 weeks, and I got my mother, and I come back after the 2 weeks. And he say, all right, don't boring, mommy. Boring, bad.
You sure it's boring and no trouble you run from?
No, mommy. What kind of trouble, mommy?
Man trouble,
No.
friend problem, work problem, nothing like that.
None of them something, mommy. None of them something there.
So tell me something, 2 weeks off from the work, how you gonna pay your bills in?
Mommy, you love worry too much, mommy.
You're my baby, me have to worry about you, man.
Mommy, no worry about them something, mommy. You worry too much, man.
Me not have it, you know. So when any man come, and boss man, Mr. Landlord and Mr. JPS and Mr. Whatnot to come, look, make sure you have it, you know.
Mommy, no worry about that, Mr. Mommy.
2
What do
weeks,
you, man,
baby. You
No
can
worry
afford
about
2
that.
weeks off. You gonna
Of
get
course.
paid.
No worry about that, mommy. Everything the pan shop, mommy. No worry about that. What you worry about me?
God, we're glad to see you. Oh, God, we miss you. So how town? Me know you say boring, but how the business, how everything?
Boy, mommy, not you know everything. Yeah, that part they good, you know. Part they good. Not too. No, know me stay already. Not too bad at me, you know.
Alright, tell the truth. You cook and me cooking you miss, not true?
Of course.
That's why you come home. Tell the truth. And nothing to do with me, you know. And the food you love. Cause you still love your belly. Me glad to see you. Only thing true, you never phone me. Me never
have no credit.
Me never have nothing prepared. Alright. Me must can turn my hand behind me make fashion. Come, make we go down back. Make we go back to the house. Make we go back to the house and put on a pot. Me glad to see you, you know.
Mommy,
Give me this. Stand up. Where are you, sir?
so me can't breeze out your left yard.
So hold on there. Me I see me age now.
No, but you breeze out, so me a left yard.
Are you my mother?
No, but me a breeze out.
So who are your mother?
You but you left yard gone from morning.
So you start talking to me with attitude now all of a sudden. What is the problem?
There's no problem. You gone from morning and me come breeze
So
out.
me a big woman. And me and your mother and me come out of the yard. That means say you fi come out too? Because me gone from morning, that means say you fi
In
come
the
out too?
house hot, the yard hot.
Okay, no fun no Indian JPS cut off the light.
In the hot.
You're full of excuse. Me say where the door you so.
Me sit down and a breeze out.
Oi, no bother with it, cause you know you for a long time. Turn around. Look in at me two eye them, because when you tell her, so you always do me, you look up in the sky, or they look in a wall, and me a chat to you. And if you think for the man them where you have out a road, you they laugh. Cause you see laugh on my face. Listen to me. If you think a man them where they keep out a road, can sustain you, take your things them out of my place and go and go live with them. Cause me the better right now say the plate they no wash. Me the better right now say the bed where you sleep in and do not spread.
Me spread my bed no fab no over there.
Oh,
Are you gone for a road,
hello.
road from morning?
No matter with the excitement and the one like you want to disgrace me. Me no use fab wash plate, it's liquid. And the liquid soap, if you did search the bag when me carry from market, it in there with the Scotch Brite. But
You
because
never
you're
tell me that.
nasty, I don't like wash plate and more. You never tell me that. I'm full of attitude. Look on you, because you start have horse now. Eh? You then your mouth hole of me food over there. The man them where they talk to at the road, where you make them sustain you? You're 17. In a 1 week time, you're 18. So true government say, you don't have consent from no war hit. You don't feel so, you don't go have sex and coming back.
But
As you
mommy,
don't feel like
over
a
the
little
hot,
in my head still.
over the hot, go on over the car, over the hot. I'm still gonna breeze out. Over the hot, out there so cooler than over this so hot.
What you have in your bag? Give me a bag. What you have in the bag? For me buy this gift for your birthday. Where you take you and they go out with man every minute. And none of them can buy you one all now. What is the problem?
Because me have the bag, so me weary. I'm like it, so me weary.
Careful how you talk to me. You hear what me say?
Me like it, so me weary.
Careful with the attitude them where they put on the words them where they talk to me because me notice you know. Me notice they follow sound like a dirty foot friend. If I them a turn you in an idiot, you better stop follow them. You hear me I tell you? Because me never spend me money on you. If you go to school, if you go and sit down on the roadside, me notice how you love one heap of man. You're full of attitude. But your attitude not stink off me, must say me your mama. You understand? Your papa run where gone left you. At once a time me see me not give me no money for you. You're so 18, you can't go look a job. Look on you, nice little young girl like you, sit down on the roadside.
Are you making gone left
hot.
you? Are you making gone left you?
You rank with me.
No manners.
No rank with me. As a great man, look here, little girl, don't argue with me. You hear me I tell you? Don't argue with me. No argue with me. Because you start take man you go like me and your size, me will shut your box out here.
See my phone a ring.
Which
answer
phone?
My phone.
Who fi answer your phone?
Give me your phone.
You not go get here. Let me answer it. You want me answer it?
Give me my phone and answer my phone.
You want me answer it? Eh?
Give me my phone.
Oi, now take it from me. Because if you try again to take it out of me and you not go like it, they more think we are sister instead of mother and daughter. Because I rubbish shit me and push and bust your ass.
I'm not fight with you.
Come and realize your ring can full of attitude and I come cock up batty in the ear. How what you feel like? How you? Little girl, come take yourself go in the yard and go wash up your plate, man, and make me reach over there before you.
No, go over the hot.
Oh, so okay, so when night come down, stay out here so I remember say you see now go over there cause out here hot. Yeah. And most man, you can't tell me nothing. Half a man you're the out here for wait pan. You, that's why you now move and I make excuse and I complain about out the hot, no out the hot.
You see a bamboo tree over the hot, no sure.
Over the hot.
Look over there be a sun.
Okay, what else you have to say? You have nothing more to say.
You ask me what I do out here, as my mother me explain to you over here.
Tell us you can go on 9 years, then you go tell me say you go stay out there so over there so hot. Oh, that concern me.
Everything over there do already.
You were so lazy and nasty and like do not know. Tell me say everything do over there already?
Yeah, come
like seriously?
Say, yeah.
If you know in my head, you see? You take yourself from your son and go on over in a yard.
Over the hot.
You know, stop say so. You're full of attitude. Me give you too much chance and you still stay like this. Why you stay like this?
Mommy, over yard hot, mommy. Over the hot. Me can't turn over the hot. And you know me only eat and a friend. Over the hot.
So out you say you go sleep?
No.
But in the night, over there go hot same way.
Night cool. A summertime now. A summertime now.
Night cool.
You know see a summertime?
7 night cool, why you sleep under fan? You don't stay without fan because you're cool?
As morning or evening now, afternoon now, over the hot. Over the full of sun.
You're full of excusing and you think you can trick me by sitting down on the street side like some little careless girl. Okay. You don't have nothing else to say more than over the hot. Because so just the eat make you come right here so?
Yes, mommy.
And nothing else nor nobody make you come here so?
No, mommy. Over there just hot.
Okay. So if you tell you 3 more, 4 or 5, 6 more, 7, 8, 9, 10 more times, so if you can go in the yard, go wash up your plate then?
No, over there just hot.
Oh, and you now go wash up your plate because over there?
Hot.
Okay. Alright, my mother. So as from today, you is my mother. I'm me the child, right? Okay. Get up. Get up! Oh, me see I talk to you and you gonna sit down right there, so.
Mommy, hot. The time hot. I just hot. The time hot.
Girl, you see true. As where you said the time hot, I don't want the heat where you talk. Catch me. See me head got chip. Go on down in the yard. Go on down in the yard. Yeah. No. No. Oh, tada, boy, you're hot. Your body a get big, so you get bright and feisty. Oh, tada. As the great man sell it tablet and don't give you back your oh, tada, eh? Let me reach over before you. I don't want to damage you. I mean, I want the next door neighbor them hear how me have to go deal with up on the streets. If you know me know, go on in my yard. Oh, tada, I see which man did I call you, bright. But if me name buy this girl, you wouldn't have if you come on roadside. I can show off. A man you out here wait pan and they look. Turn yourself in a one little whore. Who did that? Let me see. How I pin number again? Oh. Who the hell named Peter? Wait there, let me Peter. Wait there. Kiss me backside. That's much man name you have in your phone, little girl. At the age of 17. Tony. Miracle. Steve. Popeye. Me backside. What's that? Davy. Toga. Jesus Christ, God. I want me bring upon the land, Father God. Where she take herself? Alright. Don't worry yourself.
Girl, I'm glad to see you. Oh,
I'm glad
God.
to see you too, you know.
Are you sure it's everything all right for the 2 weeks?
Yeah.
All right. Come make we sort out the food.
Mm-hmm.
I know you love your belly. Yeah, man, me know you love your
man.
belly.
I can send me in a hot house. Hot house. And I can sing around road from morning and let me one over here and it's a big old hot house. If I leave out work good, and I send me in a hot house. I'm out there to burgers and he send me in a hot house. And they give me back my phone.
Miss Big Woman. Miss Big Woman. Why you have so much man name in your phone?
And I'm a man them. I'm a friend, me can't have man friend. Like how you have a much friend out the road. Me can't have man friend. My cousin them. My father side of people. Me must say, yeah, my father side of people them are not friend, you know. And me and them are friends. So me have their number, you don't have them, but me have them. Why if me dep on the road and something do me? As I say, me love road.
You see all of the man them name when me see in your phone, you and them not related. Me a no idiot, me not stupid. Me know them.
You know my father side of people?
Uncle you know them because you look like you and your party there. I rank here try rank with me, but you know face him more than me. Me realize how you dey exalt yourself on the road. And they go on like I say, you're under your own roof. But little girl, let me tell you something. You see, if me never come back and see bedspread, heaven came down and glory fill your soul and me done with you.
But me tell you, I do everything.
You don't do
just
everything.
Hot.
You don't do everything. See, Fanny is a liar. You don't do everything.
So you not feel the hot breeze from the fan?
You don't do everything because before me come in here, so me go in the kitchen, the plate don't wash. You not sweep out, no, the bathroom no clean up, nothing. You only spread the bed to take shame out of your eye. Because you see people are road they can't chat, but me do everything and you still a tell me lie when me see it. You know what catch you? Me go in the bathroom and the kitchen before me come in here, so. So me know you don't tidy it up. And that is nasty.
So now Sunday me tied up a bathroom. Today just Wednesday.
Bathroom for clean every day you piss and shit in there. Nastiness. And I'm making neighbor them a hear oh you're nasty over here and love man. I want you. And every time, new coffee. You're lucky me need talk louder. Because I'm still a speaker, you're too out order. You're lucky you know something we get louder too. You have to thank God some of the pan this attack now. I mean not the up here so. Go and go call your papa. And me wouldn't mind you go stay with him. Go and go call him. What else you have to say?
My father have concrete house and AC. So me out go a road down then.
But look on this ungrateful drunk God forgive me and pardon me. I wanna listen to, what you say? Your father
in a house at a fan, if fan a blow hot breeze.
So at the board house yeah. You dey try to insult me with.
Me not insult you.
Banana, growina, nyam, sleep and drinkina. Your papa know.
If fan hot.
Okay, listen to me now. Me proud of my board house.
Me proud I took her in a me van.
Thank God for that board house. Eh. It's like you tell that the board house and it hot and me not have no AC. Take up Swamburger. Me have some things in there. You can take them out and pack up your clothes them in a hit if you want go down there.
Me a go down there.
Yeah, but them away night enough for you. Me go tell you something. Me I learn you this. Because this bag.
No, remember say I'm my school bag this. You're bright, Bolin. And my school bag.
But I me did buy give you
So,
half me.
I
Nobody
give you-
want give you it. Give
No.
me back me things. Go make your father.
And the things that when they say for me. Cause remember say you did put them in there. For me. So you want to take back everything now. So me tell you say that house at me a go down at daddy car concrete and AC down there.
One in your concrete house and your
And
AC.
from morning you gone and me didn't even eat nothing.
Okay. So me a still your girl, your servant, your slave. Eh? For big old ass steering girl we soon 18. Me still a wash, cook and clean and look about breakfast and lunch and dinner give you. You're lucky. You shall name shit. Or you go die for hunger because I ain't cooking anything today. Sorry for you. So if you know say you're ready to go down your father, go on. Concrete, same like on your concrete house and AC and me have just one little fan where God bless me with the board house, thank God feet.
Alright.
At least me not
When I
sleep
go down
out
at
a
the father,
door.
make sure
You know say I
so
want
sick you
little,
call your son come up here and don't call me.
you want
Make
little
sure say you call
ungrateful
your
girl.
son.
Just like your papa and your papa side of generation them. You stay bad. You stay bad. Sometimes me I wonder if you're alright up here so. Because big old girl like you get up out of your bed. Eh?
The bed not spread.
That's all you do.
The
Spread
bed
the bed
spread
because you
and
never
sweep
want me to
out.
come back and sit down because you believe so me go in the bathroom and the kitchen for now. But me say don't tidy. Anything where you eat out there, you're
Your
supposed to
son
wash
can
it
wash them up too.
as from today.
Your son can wash
Anything
them
where
up
you
too.
name out there, you're supposed to wash it
Your
as
son
from
can
today.
wash them
Me
too,
stop wash where you eat out there.
So what to your son?
I'm a son you afraid about? You afraid about my son?
Some to your son.
My son alright.
Son can wash plate.
And he cleaner than you and see man. You're not ashamed.
Okay.
Stop talking about him. And at least he take him book at school. If he even bad like a years, he still have pride and ambition more than you and you're a woman. Look into that. Don't talk about your brother. That if you think about. Instead of they talk about concrete house and they compare between what your pa have and what me have. Just say you know one easy little girl.
Come
You
here,
know
tell
one
us
easy
that
little
the
girl,
house
you know.
hot. The house hot.
Okay.
You know fix it, y'all a sweat.
Me come in and the sweat I son me a walk in.
So me
Yes,
not come in
of
a
course
sweat.
me the sweat. It is there for you to see that outside after that in house you create excitement about AC, AC
want back
this
my
and
phone
AC
to call
that.
me father.
Put the AC this and AC that and me $1,000 when me put up in this so this man you go with the seat a 500 you'll have left out of it. Look on your face. And you never ask me for it. Out of that. Suppose me to take you out of your bag when me see it out of the road night. When you're gone, me look in your bag. And see, so you take I don't want that me think say I drop somewhere in there, you tidy up the place and put it somewhere. You gone with it. Take it. Name the other 5.
More want me tablet so me can call
You
me
see this?
father.
You're banned for 1 week. All of
So
the
me
man
go
them when
call
they
me
call you,
father?
I will answer them for you. Because
me
I don't
go
know
call
a
me
wrong age,
father?
you must tell them, say you're 25 and 20 this and 20 that. You is 17. Eh? And soon 18. You don't reach 18 yet. You're not under your own roof yet. And look, you're full of attitude. Your attitude stink. And you talk to me as your mother without manners. Without respect. You're full of some disrespectful word. See up on the road, to you see people apart and a go on. Like I say, I told me they want to shut your box. And you know, say we get it.
Me
So
want
go
me
on with
tablet to
yourself.
call me father.
Get up out of my room and go on around your room. You're too damn nasty and out of there. You think say true? You come and sleep around here so with me last night. That means say if you come around here so. Come out. Out of there. Idiot. Mr. God, me don't know what kind of picnic them we they have. What kind of picnic them we they have nowadays? They don't have no manners, no discipline, no home training, nothing. Look what she in upon the road. I come broad now to her house. Street a grow big and me food she didn't name out. Eh? The boardhouse me turn in. I watch people dirty clothes and build this a boardhouse. I hit she grow up in and come chat about boardhouse. You see one ungrateful little dirty rich. All when you have me own a picnic, when we make parents chat where they enough to chat. For you go look up, big old thinking girl like you.
Hey, I'll 3-month belly that day. Buddha belly me for call you now. You good?
Yeah, very full now.
That is right. Me know so me can turn my hand behind me find next passion.
Oh, nice, my mommy, me love you bad.
Oh God, me love you too. It was a pleasure. Oh God, you make me day, you know. You make me day when me see you. Oh God. You know, after you don't know. You don't know how me glad for see you. You know, me miss you, you know, baby.
You miss me more than how you miss me.
Me not think that possible. Me not think that possible. So what we are gonna do now after you eat? What you want me to do?
You know, so me did I go walk up on the road and come back.
Already?
Nobody else stay too. I just say, catch up back pan,
Catch up back pan road instead of catch up back pan.
No,
Which one you
mommy.
come down for see? Road or me?
You, mommy, but me just go, take a walk and come back. Me not stay long. I just wait till this me and go and come back.
Remember the area where you're staying now,
Yeah,
Remember, say around here is not a good area.
Yes,
So know what you
not
do.
go nowhere far. That's why this me and go and come back.
Alright.
you come back.
Alright. Walk good and watch the road here.
Alright.
Don't go too far.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, say me miss you, you want to spend some time with you. Not do a road all the
Come
time.
back.
Alright.
Yes.
If you say so. I'm sure. Come here to me. Little girl, come here to me.
Where's the mommy? Me say that me a test me a go down with my father.
Me send her around your room, you come chat about father. You
You
not
just
go down
say
and
me
no
go on.
father. No father, you not go. Come go a shop. You love road? Come go a shop.
Me not go no shop. You say me if you come a ferry, so you want to send me for shop now.
You love road, so me a send you go buy something at shop for cook. Okay. I mean, no want you no talking from you, because you want like your attitude stinker than for me. Make sure, say when you change this, a $15,000 you get. And that can more than cover what me I go tell you to buy. So you go buy one pack of jasmine rice, the 4-pound one.
Me no want no jasmine rice. Every day you feed me pan jasmine rice. No, not jasmine rice, more regular rice. No. And pasta. I want jasmine rice. Every day you feed me pan jasmine rice.
But make you not work and buy, buy the regular rice. Since I don't want the jasmine rice.
I mean, not the jasmine rice, mommy. Mommy, and I tell the jasmine rice.
No, me like it.
Okay.
I prefer it more than basmati. A basmati is a very nice rice. So my second choice is basmati rice. But me have some basmati rice in my kitchen. Me need
But you
jasmine.
cook that and give me, and you eat the jasmine rice. Me go buy jasmine rice for you. I mean cook your rice for around it.
Hear my mother talk to me. Okay, my mother. Go on a shop, buy the 4-pound one jasmine rice and 4-pound of oxtail can come give me. Me have cooking oil and season and everything. And do me a beg you in the name of Jesus.
Me did use the onion with the tin mackerel.
Buy 3 pound of onion. And anyway, buy one tray of egg flat with 30 in it. That can buy, that is 15,000. Drinks in the fridge, things I'm rich come out. And about that done out my money. And care about me change. This time you send me a shop, you take my money like a few. But you watch her about and you go cook the basmati rice for yourself today.
But watch ya, girl. Come here. Come here.
You see how if you ever know how long me out here wait for you, me other call the phone girl now answer your phone,
Girl,
brother.
which phone? My mother take on my phone this morning.
You and your mother again?
She send me. I mean, I'm
You and your
dying
mother
nothing.
again?
I'm in my pocket. Me I take money come here.
Every day, of course. And you can't be yourself.
Be able
Be
to
yourself.
Or something bad you do. Better.
be able to girl. You know, see me 2018. You're lucky. Say you are 20. Me should have mean a year position.
What you mean? What you mean?
Girl, tell me touch 18 next 2 weeks from now. I gone, me gone.
Anyways. Other that me out here turn up and wait for. Where man there?
Girl, no worry about that.
What you mean
No
I'm
worry
going
about
for that?
You so see all of them. We are got beach party. We are go for choices. We are go whole heap of place. Girl, no worry about that. Yeah.
Yes.
So you don't care about nothing for me.
I'll pick it back for you.
Leave $1,000 you don't care come down here.
$1,000.
Say money there.
I don't have any. Me not have none. Go
Girl,
look at work.
come on.
Since a man you want go look at work.
Girl, come on.
How where you go?
We don't have shop.
This your girl that know me, and she
Oh,
forget
God.
who me be.
Right now, we just
Things
tired.
that she said she come for look for me and go on the road.
Hey,
Hi.
mommy.
Mommy.
How you doing? Yeah.
I mean, no, that lady, I know.
Mommy, how you doing here?
Morning.
How
Think you just
doing?
go cool and go for a walk.
You see it? I said
walk
thing me
me
tell
walk.
my mother and she a talk about going. And me tell her, say out yourself cool out.
She thought, well, go in.
Little girl, me, you, and your mother not have nothing, and we don't know each other. You and your mother business is you and your mother business. Right? How old you be anyway?
17.
20-year-old
I'm a
with
friend.
17?
I'm a friend.
20-year-old with 17?
My
If you go
friend.
forward, girl.
Mommy, but I'm a
We are
friend.
with little girl. I walk street with little girl.
So
You
me can
lead her
elevate
astray or
her.
she lead you astray?
No, mommy. Nobody
Nobody
can lead me astray.
I'm no donkey.
Me not lead nobody astray.
So who you really come down for look for? Cause
Mommy,
it
are
look
you me
like
come
say
for mommy and
you
me
come
walk
down
on the
for
road and
walk
buck up and around
street
my
and
friend
look
them.
friend and thing.
Mommy, me a share friend for a long time.
From when are you gone from country for how many years? So what?
And before that, me a share friend, mommy.
I mean know all of your friend them, all your school friend them too. Used
You
to
don't
come
know
and
the
eat
one
out
here,
of my
miss.
pot.
Mommy, you don't know the one here, mommy.
So where you now go?
Mommy, I walk on the road and me buck her up and she say she a go shop for her mother and she carries the things them go give her mother. We say we a walk come out here so come slung and me buck up in you. How what you do out here so?
Me fancy to you? Why look like you say you got town and forget who is who.
Mommy, but me just simple ask her a question, mommy.
I hear some come and cool out more time.
Oh, I understand what the out here so me and she just there walk come cool out too. Cause it's time hot.
So
And my
what
foot
kind
them a
of
hurt
time?
me.
So what kind of time you gonna see you so tonight?
Mommy, me so come over, mommy. Me tell her say me so come over.
And me clean up the kitchen, mop out the house, and sweep up and everything. How much
Mommy, I don't
hours?
auntie. Me dey go look for auntie, mommy.
You
Me dey
have
go
got
down a
little
auntie
bag of
pot.
excuse, see?
Me dey go down a auntie pot, mommy.
All right. Go look for the whole neighborhood.
Mommy, I write out of somebody so me I go
Go
sit
look for
down.
the whole neighborhood. That's your come for.
Mommy, I want there, mommy. Cha, me begs.
So me want to know who you really come
Mommy,
to.
come on. We are go over. Come.
Go on.
Come on now.
And me a pull.
Come on.
Oh, you ready for me now?
Come on, we are go over.
Okay, it's our time now.
Yes.
All right. Come in, sit down. I want to talk to you. I have to talk to you. It looks like say number no mean nothing with you, and age don't mean wisdom. You know, remember from long time
Mommy, I'm
the
a
brown
friend.
lady candy daughter.
Yeah, me know say I'm Miss Candy daughter.
Me not always teach you, show me your company, and I tell you who you be. That is the district mattress. Them have that little girl. She not
Mommy,
even
how
reach
you know about
You
district
gone
massage?
a town and me still live here. Me never go nowhere. Me still live here. You gone for much years and me still there. When you leave, she's still young. I go school. And you can't tell me, say, you never hear things from them, but they get worse now, girl. Every man go through that. Inside, outside, flip side, top side.
Mommy, you know say to stop it. Stop washing up on people, girl, pity mommy. Mommy, remember saying no? I want girl just like she. Right? And everybody make mistake, you know, mommy. Everybody make mistake, mommy. Mommy, stop washing up on the girl, mommy.
Is one thing to make a mistake, but is one thing to learn from it, and she nah learn from
Mommy,
it.
how you know that, mommy?
You got, today you come.
Stop mind people business,
Today you
mommy.
come. Everybody have that little girl name all over the district. And the way she carry herself too. She know, sister, she carry herself bad.
Mommy,
She
nothing wrong with
cause
the
it.
girl, mommy.
So when people associate her and fry you with fear fat and start call you mattress
Mommy, nobody
and
can call
associate,
me mattress, mommy. And the girl is not a mattress.
you ask her how much man she there with just this week alone. Me, the little me know. Me today, where were they? July now. So summer now, so she hot. Me know about, what your name? Davy. One Peter.
Stop calling people name, mommy.
That's what me know. Me not talk what me hear, me talk what me know.
How you know?
She not hide nothing. She walk and brawl in. She boops man for them money.
Mommy,
And
you can't-
scare
mommy,
man for them
mommy,
money.
mommy,
And all do all
mommy,
kind of
listen
things
to me
for
now.
them money.
Lady, listen to me, please.
Lady or mommy, which one? Remember?
Mommy, listen to me, please. Sorry for calling lady, but because you get me ignorant, mommy. Mommy, listen to me, mommy. Mommy, remember me a big woman, you know. Me a big 20-year-old, you know. Me must know my own decision, you know. Me make my own decision, cause me a pay my bill, water bill, phone bill, every kind of bill.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so me a big woman.
Mm-hmm.
So me don't know why you come to me and tell me fitness story for like me a baby.
So you are 20.
Me a big woman.
Big 20. So what me fi say at 47? What me fi say if it's 47?
Well,
So me
nobody
not
can say
live
to me at
more than
47.
double your age. Listen, me depend this thing called earth a little bit longer than you. Go through a little bit more than you.
Mommy, let me ask
Cry a
you one
little bit
question,
more
mommy.
than you. Laugh a little bit more than you.
Jesus Christ.
Advise me, I try advise you so you not go through the same pain.
Mommy, me not go through nothing when nobody a go through. Cause no man can haul and pull me. Cause me no man, me no when they call the card. No man can haul me so and haul me so.
Me never say man a haul and pull you.
But that
Me
you
say
try if you
you
say because you tell me say me I go ask
associate
you.
with her, you lie with dogs, you get what? Please.
Me not catch no flea cause me not lie with no dog.
Alright. You know more than me.
No
But
flea and no
remember,
ticks.
so me tell you now. Remember, if you don't remember nothing else, remember, so me tell you, say,
Me go remember everything else
if
but
you
that.
pick me who can't hear, I go
Every day I see it.
Me I try to advise you for
Mommy,
the best, cause when me see say
mommy,
you go
today me
over the
come down, you
clip.
know, mommy, I just give me one big migraine. You make me head come like it a go bust.
Me cause that. Alright. All me I try to advise you and steer you.
Advise me. Me can make my own decision. As me said before, me can make my own decision myself. Me no want nobody advise me. Me advise myself. Cause me don't know what kind of advice that they are going to give me 20-year-old. Like me a son look a pitney.
Okay. Me keep on my mouth. Keep on my mouth. No problem.
Me don't know look a pitney, mommy. Me
No
a big
problem.
woman.
No problem. Yeah,
And you
man.
give me baby advice.
Okay. Baby advice.
If me go there so you have a problem.
Alright, here we before either we say nothing that we no want say or we no want hear, you keep on my mouth and go about the business. But remember, all these picnic must what? Feel. Remember me tell you.
Right now. Keep your story to yourself right now. Me can't manage. Father God. Mommy.
With the rice, with the oxtail,
Money,
where is the
money
onion?
lost.
Lord Jesus. I joke can't make don't.
Me change out the money out of China man. Out of China man will send me downtown.
Me never, not tell on like pa me.
Me change out the
Me
money.
not tell us if it go unknown China man. Jesus deliver
So you
me.
tell me if you change the
Me
money.
tell us if it go downtown which part the man them they will change money. And change it
Over the
because
China
we get
man,
a
me
better
go.
rate.
And me lost the money. Come on, man, I come out said time and bounce me. And the money drop. By the time the money drop, me see people are crowd. And me look, me not find the money.
So you see when the money drop, and then you see people are crowd around.
Yeah, money
So
drop.
so if you see when the money drop, why you never take it up?
Alright, me go on the money last. Me never see the money drop. And me see people are crowd. Me wonder what happened. And the money last. It just last.
So when
So
me
me
I
have
go
to
do
go
now?
call back. Me have to go call daddy for the money.
So me not
Mommy, me have to go call daddy
me not
and ask him
understand
back
this
for the
because
money.
me have $200. Me give you 100 out of it and beg you change it for me. I demand them with exchange money. You forget $1,500. Because if I 150 times 100, you go get 15,000. Where is the money? No, me want if you go cook. Cause me hungry. And you are going to look for me and tell me, say, big old ass steering girl like you. Last money.
The money last. Actually, that cost me this. My brain confused.
So money last.
So before me give money, your brain did alright.
No, you did confused. Me have to call daddy. So you have to go give me my phone. Me call daddy back for your money.
Are your palace money?
No, but me go
Come
beg
here.
him and give you.
Come here, come here. Come here. You sure say money last?
Your money last, mommy. What you?
Hold on. Me know sound no love push down money in a side, you know.
Mommy, money last.
Hold. Wait. Me not even realize you have one bag. Lend me this.
Mommy, the money last.
Me hear, you know. Me hear say last. I'm not saying anything. But me no know why you confuse yourself and say last because me take off the bag off of you.
The last time money last. Only 500 in my bag.
Okay.
No, my partner did it. I 500 of that. So you take back your $500?
No, me I look for money where me just want to make sure say the truth you talk. Me never say a lie I tell you no.
Alright.
How many money you use by this?
No, me did have it. Look, he used and me did have it.
Okay.
Me did have it.
How will the backside this? Wait there. How are this?
But me,
$350.
no, me did have this. See there use. Me did have it in my bag. Look, see there use.
Okay.
No, your money that. And your money this.
Hold on.
You know the Rasta woman will live up a road? The Rasta woman will live up a road in that way come from country. Give me the money. For your money last, she just give me when me are coming. You can't ask the Rasta lady. But show mommy the Rasta lady. Daughter up a road, give me the money.
When I grow up, what kind of name you hear somebody did give when you're born again? Where your name? Because you don't look like I am my daughter. What is your name?
Mommy, now you name me Africa no.
Jesus Christ. So me no only have one liar than one attitude child, one bad child will love man and the open road all their life and not like tidy up place. You is a liar than a thief though.
No, mommy, I the woman daughter up a road give me the money.
And the Rasta woman give you, our daughter give you it now.
Yeah, the Rasta. No, me say the Rasta woman will live up a road. Our daughter will come from country. Give me the money. Come in, I did a friend.
She give you this?
Yes.
Okay. So are yours?
Yes, mommy.
I know money this one I give you.
No, but if you want it back, you can take it. Like
no, man. Money. No, listen here. You're not going to give me anything. And you can't tell me if you take it because it done in my hand already and I know say for me you is a thief. Take your bag.
Just tell her say the woman give me the money.
Look here, and you know what? Take back your worry. Cause you know what? Me tired of the man them a call your phone. And I cure all me tell them say you not reach 18 yet, then still a call it. So you must know you want. You see anything where they look for you go get it, take it.
Thanks.
Go on. And you is a little liar. You have to stop thief. Hello? Stop thief.
Mommy, but I know your money.
Stop thief.
Don't take when cookie rice.
Oh, me? Cookie rice. Big old girl like you, if you still a cook you. Look here. Go on where they go. You know take man and you can't cook. That little girl lie, man. Why you lie?
Well, oh God, man. Look at the evidence. You see it? Every time I come up here and I had no money, you give me back my money. Now I come get to the right time. The right time. So I can take out my 7 grand out of this now. Good. So you're alright.
I'm good, man.
What go on? You're not disciplined that one day?
You not even know where I got to my head right now, you hear?
Sis? I true, me respect my family. Me not even bother about the 7 grand. I go get it, because guess why? You have to go buy back Susie things them down there. You know what you can't go and go take Susie, man?
What?
Susie catch him and he mash up. Susie grab him and mash up, he stick them on the figurine. Me don't know how people still have figurine in the house, I do.
No, you have nice figure you can buy with recent
Me not buy
new
the
style.
put on in the house to do for do.
Maybe buy it because they have latest type, just like you have car and you change and you have nice car and I
Mash up
same.
your woman things them. So me
You have
tell
different type of
2
phone.
million
I
on the
same thing.
embarrassment. Me tell Susie say, me I go talk to my sister. My sister will pay you, don't worry your head. You will pay for. The girl going to go take him man, woman.
So what me have to go pay for? You figure it then?
Yes!
So how me have to go pay for it and me
Are
not
you
go pay?
picnic?
And me pick me how much?
17.
Okay, she's not 7.
So what wrong with that?
She go look one work and pay for whatever she mash up.
Since me don't want no embarrassment come down, that's why me come to you.
I shop me send her. Me not send her go people yard to go mash up figure.
I know today me attacking it.
I went into it.
Yes, about 3 days ago.
When she do it?
3 days ago.
So you just tell me.
At them here here. I
Oh.
see Susie see me. And I talk and me more go sleep and say, I'm in niece.
Okay.
Because Susie never know.
Yeah.
And Susie, they come up here and me say, no, Susie, no bother with that. Me go talk to my sister, how much them value? And say 7 grand. Me couldn't be say 7 grand
Yes.
for 2 little figure. 2 little figure. 7 grand.
$7,000?
Yes, and then Lily. I know, we're big. Yeah? That's why I say, me now buy them, there's something there.
So on me, whenever go at people, you go mash up them things. We take up full responsibility.
I know me push her out.
And me, if you take up full responsibility of
Yeah,
paying of...
mama teach you something. It's like if you damage somebody something. I mean, never come to if you not have the money, you know.
So me now, the jackass, when I papi up, me I idiot. If you take up full responsibility, and that me I try to show you know.
You love
You
it,
go
Pitney?
pay if you sitting when me no mash up 17-year-old pop up in go work.
You love
And
your
my
daughter?
Me love my daughter.
Might
but me
as well you
but
pay
me
for
not
it.
like her ways. So she go have to go work now because she's not a child anymore.
She a behave like her father. Her father is a whore. I mean, wrong if you left her father. When we used to warn about him father, you used to cuss me. You used to say, me wicked. Me
And
know
that
what?
reach me. When you see her reach me, I know with me and she, it will reach me for true. Because that's true, you did that talk and me did that cuss you off. So whatever they go on between me and she, you know, because she a going like a she the mother and me the daughter. She all tell me how, our father and me left card this and that and me cause you. And one if a bag of
How
foolishness.
come you can't say now me tell if you left him father
Me
because
not know
him
and she
father
did
whore?
small. She not even know me used to go
Her
through.
father footstep in my
You
father.
don't know where Lily girl tell me so up here.
So,
You let her about that? How they look up all about in this house where she born in, you know, and grew up in, you know. Me a man drink in, shit and piss in, you know.
so.
Eh? And tell me how me live in a board house and our father have concrete house and our father have AC and me home go have fun.
And you know, go in your fridge and take out one ice. And stuff in her if you want cool.
If you did a pass the way she a chat loud the other year, the girl a tell me one
I
time
would
and I
have-
repeat herself.
I-
Just to me see her out the road. A coast and a chat about over the hat. Over the hat. And she can't
So
stop
when
say-
grew up in a...
I don't know.
He only spent one little 2...
Well, let me
not
tell
even
you
2 years.
something.
1 year and about 7 months I'm papa, you know. And I mean, make it go for him in the car, him papa does a carrying girl back a girl, you know. And father footstep him and watch, you know. You see that little girl, eh?
See father call me there.
No answer that.
Me nah
A cross
answer.
is that. Listen me.
I am fit too. You're lucky. You're alright. Me don't know when
Listen.
she go down her payard go call up my name to her. If you come call me phone. I'm alright. Stay the ring till you stop.
The little girl soon start carrying belly, you know.
Pan who?
I know for me.
You
Me not live
figure
here.
say, you figure say she's soon 18? Pan who?
How many years in there
And I
go
hope
think
she
that?
find the daddy.
2
Because
years
the
love your
amount-
pitney, you know,
Eh,
put him on my
hey,
18.
brother, the amount of money me see in the tablet where she have.
Oh yeah, tell me say.
You don't know Davy and what they call it Toga. Wipe a name me see in there, Tony.
Chi?
Me
20?
Me all see somebody in the name Popeye.
Popeye.
Yeah.
Lord of God. Me know the one they attack, you know. Me know Tony. And me know Popeye. But me no know the Davy.
Me know the whole of them because when me used to sell up a school, up a Monterey school, the whole of them used to they on one side, crossway from me, and they used to come buy back food from me and drinks and sitting. Me know the whole of them. That little girl have for me here. But she bad plus tax. Me can't manage her.
Me can't tell us, you know.
Me don't know what me I go do.
Me give you a good warning as a brother.
So like your house bigger than for me, you can't put her in a one room down for your yard.
You don't come like you don't love your daughter. Me cut off your neck. Me will cut off your neck coming like shame. You remember the last time me dey on the plane and me want wee. And every minute me get up the pilot, the flight attendant and say, sir, sit down, the plane is about to land. And me say, me want pee. Me go back down and me sit down and me say, no man, they come. Me get up, sir, the plane is going to land. Me just take all the drinks back and me wee in that backside.
Hour.
You know that me try show you. Them don't know how to do them situation
No,
there.
the girl there tell me about what half and what pan. Me look.
Me don't want no embarrassment.
Like seriously again? Why this girl go call me name to her father?
Listen me, that you want me shut her back see?
Look here, I your niece. Deal with her for me. Me can't manage it.
Anyway.
Me can't manage it. Me tired man. Me tired.
Alright, here what you do? You
When
can't
I
put...
see lady you give her back in money fee figure it.
Alright, here what me say. You can't... Me bring back a chain. You can't put her out as she catch 18. Just take my foolish advice. You understand? Now follow the rest of parents them. Cause 18-year-old, you put him out and you carry more shame. Let him go when he's 21. When he's 21 now you can put him out fully. Because if he go to college, he'd have come out then time, the 21, 22. So you put him out then time. Then time they're a real adult.
You know, so every time a little girl want go road, me don't know what they out a road so.
Bad company.
Me a go road,
Bad company.
Go on a road, man.
They always say...
Anything you look for, you take it, man. Anything when you get it, take it.
I say.
Anything where she get, she take it, and she look for something out a road, what me fi say?
If you get belly, no call me do.
And when, you know, me, she a stay with you,
Come
go
in
stay with you, man.
call no picking off him belly grandniece or grandnephew. What? Cause you see, I look at you like, boy, I don't know.
Anyway, just give back the lady her money for the figure and tell her some sorry about it. Although I know me should even pay feet, you know. Cause she a no baby.
Alright, no problem.
So she now work for go pay feet and me no want the problem. Everything good. Hello? You know how long me a call your phone? Oh, girl, me want my daughter to stay with you. Me get one living job. Me have to stay with people in me yard 2 weeks first before me can come back. And me have my daughter, me no want to leave her on her own. Although she has 17, she a big one. She just act like she a big one. No want somebody to stay with her.
My sister, guess what?
Hold on
Me pay if you know, but...
No worry. Guess what?
Oh.
My brother come and my brother discipline man. She go half listen. So thanks anyway. Thanks here. She will stay with my brother. Alright. Little more. Alright. Bless up yourself, man. Me know say you that make she stay with you. Alright, cool. Yeah. My brother.
Oh, no.
Me get one living work.
Mm-hmm.
And me can't come back to my yard until 2 weeks time. Every 2 weeks, me have to go come back. So it's a fortnight thing. Living.
So what happened now?
Me a go go.
Mm-hmm. That's good news.
Me a go
I like that. Good news. Money. More money I work, more money my sister so you can elevate yourself.
But me want my daughter to stay with you.
Bad news.
But are you our uncle? I mean, I have nobody else to she stay with and you know she stay with and you're disciplined. Remember say you know about disciplinary, you know. You is a disciplined man. You're even stricter than me. Because she not even listen to me neither. Whether me get work or me never get work. Whether me stay or go. So she done.
When?
She must run. K!
Call him the
K!
right now.
Here we are. Yes, mommy. Come here, man.
You see how long it take to answer you?
Me, I watch YouTube.
You see how long it take to...
She watch YouTube.
Yeah.
Listen to me. This is urgent. Me get one job, and me not going to leave you in the house on your own. You're going to have to stay with your uncle.
So me cannot send me up on my father?
No, your father out of this. Me call your father already, and if you hear what your father tell me about you, you wouldn't want... You see your stepmother? She not even like you know until if you know me know you they come boast about father. And they boast about father and AC.
Hey!
You hear she?
You hear what you say to him out? A matter of fact, I will do all the cooking here. If when me a cook, you stay out and do a lucky door.
Sure.
And every food I cook, you taste that before me. You're bright.
Sure.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know my stepmother. You know my uncle, me not got you know my stepmother. I want to kill cause she not like me and me not like her.
So a man think it so easy. Anything we come from down in here, so come up through here, so they have in them brain long
Try
time.
one about
They
me.
will do anybody, so no matter if a family or no family.
Try
Anyway,
one about me.
2 weeks time before me come back. Me
Right.
go on part-night work. A living job. Me can't take taxi go and come back every week, every
Me
day.
no
2
left
and
my
4.
last, you know.
Me can't do that. Eh?
Me no
But
left
no,
my
Uncle
last.
Tony, no.
No, listen. You go. Me not have to tell him nothing. Him don't know say. Him strict
But
already.
you know how
And
it done.
you know saying strict, so you see for your little dirty attitude where you have and your dirty ways, at least maybe you will change by the time if you come back. Anyway, me have to left right now.
Me want to go for my father.
You're not.
Hoy!
Hello.
Hoy!
Careful.
You see when your mother leave, yes, so. Right? You can't leave yard.
You see,
Under my
me want
watch.
to go for my father.
Let me
No,
tell-
I want to go there to go cool out.
Cool out. You put the fan
Me
in
not
front of you.
responsible for you when me gone, you know. Are
You
your
put
uncle
one ice on
responsible
the
for you?
fan and you sit down in front of him. Me and your mother is two different
The
things.
fan, the ice go blow out, the ice go melt.
You blow it up, blow for you.
The ice go melt.
It don't
Hey!
matter.
Yes, no,
Why you shout? Why you talk to your uncle so
You
loud?
don't talk to me too loud. Come in, shut it 2 years as.
Hey.
Africa, you come from?
No.
Come in, I want to know when get the hey.
Come.
Me make it say, whoa.
Go in your room. Just
Yeah?
know say I go stay with your uncle.
Me make it say, whoa. When your mother come back.
Put in that house.
Let me ask you a
You need to
question.
buy AC.
When you did
Catch
take
my
my
church
sister
own,
money and go a man yard instead of school, why can you never put it down for buy AC? Eh?
Listen.
The man them where you have a bounce round with, why you never take for them money buy AC?
Every day I come to my mother yard. I beg, and you can't help what she own them.
Ask your mother if me ever beg.
She. Shut your mouth. Shh.
Ask your mother.
And me beg him enough time when you used to go to school and send you to school.
Who?
Not bright yourself.
Then if you
You
pass
don't have
it,
no
you
manners.
No worry.
See
No,
there in reach in the down after.
no worry. Come, take
Yeah,
up
me
your
a come
bag.
here. Me a
Tell
pack
him.
up your bag. I come here. Me a pack up your bag here.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Come, my sister. Me and no worry, my sister. You go.
You see people them people, yes? Just can't.
Me
So
know.
me a tell
That's why
them,
I'm going to follow you way back.
Me a pack up my bag. But me no want to wear this clothes there. So me a change my clothes.
All right, my sister. Me come out, make you get look privacy. Yeah, my sister, me out and
Alright.
go.
Yeah, take breeze.
Yeah, man.
Why me come for making us so me soon come?
Oh,
Me I go up on the road.
You know, so me there go up on the road too.
You go up on the
Me
road?
just there about to get up and come tell us me I go up on the road. Maybe deal with something and come back.
Well, you're a big 20-year-old girl, so me can't tell young lady, so me can't tell you what to do. But all I can say is remember what me said to you. Be careful
Yeah,
upon the
girl,
road and show me your company. I tell you who will be. Stay away. You don't want to cross these people with the negativity come round you here. Know who you walking with. That's all me I say. Me not preach. Me just I let you know. All right. Be safe in God's name. And soon come.
Oh God. Father God. Every day this woman come to me about road. You come up on the road and come back, yeah. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Oh God, I'm tired.
Mirachi.
Jackie!
What?
Girl, tell me there, tired, you know. Where you come from?
Girl, my mother gone.
Yeah.
Yes, and my strict uncle he left me with.
So your uncle there?
Me no know you, girl. Actually, the window me come out.
Me box. Where you say you come out, you?
The window.
Hello, sun too hot, you know. I mean, don't black
Come
already, so come
on.
over here, so.
If you ever hold me.
Hey, I want to see what you see. Oh, so what happen?
Girl, I man, me just a come to you, come meet you with.
Man.
You know remember the man I me tell about?
Oh, the same do.
Before
Girl, she
my
enough
uncle
things that
come.
go with my mother, you know. So you say no.
Girl, I'm down the road, me I can't go meet him man, but remember say me have to then look out for me uncle, cause remember say it's stricken on
You
you
say
know,
mother down
friend.
the road?
Yes, in the down the road, girl.
Wait, look.
Down at bamboo park where we always sit down. Right, it's a girl, a mosquito bite me.
Come on, then, you know, come. I don't want the man miss me.
Wait, no,
now.
girl, sit down a little bit.
Girl, I don't want, after me, don't want the man miss me.
Girl, man, now me say, remember say my uncle the down the say, no. Oh, remember say you not get no lick. Remember say me are 17. Oh, you not get no lick, so wait a little bit. So what go on? Where your mother there?
No, my mother, she said she gone pan road.
Remember say your mother no want me part with you, you know. Oh, this one Atty, man. Girl, all the girl, what do you me say? What do you such girl run so call me and tell me say such moms. The boy we did that with
Yeah.
read for
Oh, you. When you leave play man alone?
Girl,
Sir.
me want know. Nobody pan this earth at one man.
As me say, Lord, the play man alone. You can't see me what tell you. You see, go look for where I get a year.
Come never know say people one man these
Lord, the
days.
play man alone. Can't see me what tell you. Alright.
People one man these days are your man too.
You so fine about my man here.
So
So
I
I
will
find
man, I
out.
will man.
Girl, if my man can't share me, I tell her that.
Oh, sure. I'm sure say I told you alone you have.
As me say, Lord, the play man alone. I'm done talk.
Okay. Oh, go on, can you
Look at this one,
I
yeah.
love your man alone. I want to she.
Oh, that's the, wait there. How would that? So
You know see a mad girl.
we give a cuss the girl.
A mad girl, me not time for that rest that.
You should have cussed the girl, you know. Oh, wait, you
mad
afraid of that girl?
Afraid of which girl?
You're afraid of that girl, man.
Which girl?
Stop once a girl, you're
So when
afraid
you
of
say,
that girl.
so when you say all this, I want to never answer.
All this I want to who? After me argue with string bean.
A mad girl, that's me lucky.
Girl, come on.
Come on.
Me God miss you.
Yeah.
When you pay, get pick me alone.
So that make you glad to see me. You come and tell me say why me not leave people the girl pick me alone. Well, that concern you. No school every day.
Me was school a long time.
You out school long time. You sure?
As me say to be, when you pay, get pick me alone.
And my business that you don't need to come. How you want to get involved in this? How you reach in this?
As me say, when you pay, get pick me, now come back again, call one you. You hear? Alright, can't see me one you.
Oh, go on. You are rich.
Me, I will do it.
What's your?
No, so easy. You say me I easy back the
Hello.
house and break. No,
Oh,
go
so my friend, my girl, me tell me
I
I'm
see
fine
this.
with Anton. Yeah, I see this.
Oh,
Mm-mm.
nice
So
to
my
meet you, friend.
Nice to
boyfriend,
meet
So,
you
how
too.
is your name?
Sheikah.
Oh,
So
still
what
and
you
still,
do
you
here?
know. I want me say me I walk your house, man, cause in my house too. What you know? Oh, me dey cook some food now. You hungry?
Yeah, go on, yeah, me I go me and she.
Yeah, man. You can go and go share some food, man, and eat and enjoy yourself till me come back.
Oh, girl, me I go for that.
Yeah, later, me I go.
Alright, let's see you later.
Mm-hmm. Nice to meet you too.
Yo, where you go, man?
What's your?
Yeah, tell us say you. I found woman I tell about you.
Mm-hmm. I lie.
About. Are you a friend?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what? Yo, me, I forget you.
I forget me.
You how much?
Me at 20.
20? That make it worse. The number in the phone. I forget you.
Sweet there.
So I'm for savers.
Just save us anything you want to save
So
yours.
you go so fast, you know what? Get things where we on.
Just everything you do with your over phone.
Alright. Remember, say you can't text and call me certain time, you know. Woody.
Oh God.
You think of the devil and the devil himself
Jesus
appear.
Christ.
Where you a come from? And I call Lord name in vain.
Mommy, this is come from down the road.
At this time, look how it's a dark up. Are you may I come to look for you know? Come me reach home, me finish work and reach home. Me all do overtime and reach home and frightened to see you not there home. And you don't normally stay out this late.
How many time not late?
Look how it's a dark up, is sunset already. And from your
Me,
squint and sunset tonight.
in place not dark up yet.
You forget
just
what
a
this
walk up a
area
yard.
is. You forget what this area is like. Let me remind you. It's not a good area.
Mommy again.
People, this is a dangerous area.
Mommy, you tell me
Woman
that
must stay out
already.
late at night. Look how dark the track is. There's not even light in the area.
Mommy, but the place not dark up yet.
Lord Jesus, these people don't want to learn. You're my one daughter. You is my baby. Me will kill for you. Me will dead for you. Me will starve for you. So no matter if you're 50, if you're 100, if you're 160, you is my concern.
Mommy, so every time you tell me that, Mommy, me no must have to hear what you say. Mommy, no like me no hear. Mommy, me just
Then
a
why
walk
you
on the
make me
phone and
fret
my friend
for?
them, Mommy. And me
Me
just
not
a come
stop
up
you,
on
know.
the place now. The place not even dark.
Me not stop you, you know.
But
You're
the
a
place not
big
dark.
girl. But you know, since sunset, how long you think after sunset it
Sunset
get
and the
dark?
time still hot though.
Me not talk the temperature. At the
Me should know,
darkness.
so
Yes.
when dark come the place cool. When sun hot the place is hot. So
Let
that
me
means
tell you
simple means say
something.
I
You see this your
fast still
place
early.
here and where we live. You see when it's night time, a different crowd come on the streets, you know. A pure poors and prostitute and drug dealer and thing run the street, you see, you know. You know, see everybody have grill pan and lock.
Excuse me, please, give me this.
Good evening.
I'm cool out first.
Jesus is Lord.
You can please. One of the other stuff from the back company, she have a friend that she a walk with. A back company. And she a go and go on.
Mommy a lie, she
Team
tell.
friend put her in a batty wall.
Mommy a lie.
Hold on, which friend is? Which
I
friend
lie that me
is?
never did.
Which friend is?
One tall. What be say?
Tall, medium, big,
Yeah.
little girl and short hair, kind of tall.
Yeah.
Lie that.
Same thing.
That is a lie.
She not take it from me, you know. You know her? And you know her well?
Yes.
You tell
know me well?
Colin it's the same generation.
Jesus
You tell her what that dirty girl is all about, because she not take it from her mother.
I last year me here say girl that's so much pitney.
Girl, stop.
Probably I see
Stop
you
to lie.
next. Me not say
So who
she next,
next?
so I tell you. Stop for back company.
Maybe a you next.
Girl pump flat to me.
Stop and flat to me.
This not pitney, you hear?
Hey, I want this.
One of that, you hear? Because if friend she
Oh,
walk
because me a
with,
baby
is
now.
a bad company and she go with a bad wall.
Maybe
Have a
you
nice
go
day,
in
okay,
there
miss?
before me go in there. So
You
man,
hear it? You see how
Hey.
God always send.
me a lie she a tell pa me.
How many
you
times
believe
leave
she
it?
over me?
Hold on. Let me ask you something. How long since you leave country, sir? How long? And go town? How many years?
About 5 years now.
And you not believe, say, people who not leave the area, no know what go on in the area.
Mommy, but a lie she a tell pa girl, mommy.
How you know that? Me tell you the same thing. Stranger come tell you the same thing. Who you need to come down? God himself will tell you the same
Better
thing.
him come down come tell me.
Jesus Christ.
Cause she a tell lie. A lie she a tell and you believe she over me.
Me now believe she over you. Me I believe she because me know what she's saying is right. I know you she
What she
talk, you know.
saying is
I know
wrong.
you she talk. And a dry foot, dirty, dry
Mommy,
girl
stop.
she talk. Me can say what me
Mommy,
want
stop.
to say because she's a dirty girl and she going to lead my one baby astray. Let me tell you something, baby. Here's my heart. Here's my everything, you know. My life is nothing without you, you know. Look for me. My life is nothing without you.
Mommy, but a lie she a tell.
Me might seem overprotective, but you're my everything.
Mommy,
And when
I
me
like you, I
see you
tell.
going wrong, God even send that young girl for come tell. She's an angel. God send an angel to come tell you what me can't hear you.
God, I forgot send another angel or him come tell me that.
You know, see, I
Because
could break my heart.
Me no believe, me no know how to tell too much
You know,
lie.
say, what is so hard to believe? We there. You stay in a communication with her, you video call her, you know what's going on with her life when you're not there for how much years. We depend the ends of watch things.
Me no believe I care that. Me no believe I care that.
All I can do, protect my baby. And that's all I can do. 'Cause We try talk to her. You send an angel our foot, Lord, and it no work. So all me can do is pray and ask for your protection. Because boy, hard is picking. Me don't want you for feeling my daughter. Me don't want you for feel.
Tell me. Then say if you dream to me night time because I lie that.
Hey, you are
Lie
gonna
that.
demand what God are gonna do for you.
But I lie that. You tell lie pan, you not tell lie pan and the girl that
Alright.
come here so you know say the girl do not like me. And that's why she a come tell the thing.
Are you sure talk about? Are you sure
But the
talk
girl
about?
looking at me and give me
Are you
attitude.
sure talk about?
But she give me attitude.
No matter. Are you sure talk about? So
she
where the
not like
lie
me.
come in?
She not like me.
It no matter like you or not, where the lie come in.
she not-
Every
so she say
word
she not
that
like
out,
me.
I mean the business. Every word come out her mouth about that. Look here, nobody rise my pressure. May I go home? Where you do?
Me I go about my business because I can't take feelings.
All right, go about your business and walk good in God.
Chum, now make sure you know, me come go up here, man.
Uncle, you know them cook.
Me not done cook. Where you come from?
Then I'm in room.
Where you say?
Uncle, me I come from out of my room. You never see the door lock.
Me see say do a lock.
Yeah?
But me go round the window.
Which window?
And me notice that through the window you come out through. So answer me about the part there. Where you go?
Me did in my room.
Your mother didn't want me boy, you know. Where you go for you? Para seriously, where you go? Tell me the truth.
Uncle, me did in my room. In the room, I wait till you done cook and I know you didn't even start much less done.
How much white man coming in the yard to me?
Me see what man coming up here?
How much white man coming in the yard? You must hear them. How much of them come here?
6 of them.
No come here. No come here. No come here. No backside come here. Now ramp with, hey, me a mad man. Let me tell you that. You see all them sitting here, when your mother putting on the head, me a mad man, me cut you out. If I tell me couldn't feel like a big man. Now ramp with me.
So what you did me back?
Oh, I'm my sister Pitney. Me have all rights. And me in left under legal guardians. Me have all rights. For chop off even piece of your finger and send it go give her.
Chop off with a 4-finger.
Good girl.
Your daughter, they are fine, you know. Oh,
Listen to me. I'm gonna warn you for the last time.
in your heart.
Don't tell me that. Me there, me no feel the heat. Get used to it, cause a hell you go. Hell hotter than this. Anyway, I warn you for the last time. Do not left out of the yard again.
But me not the first time, me did in my room.
Oh, damn God, he gone back for the room again and me go round the back and me look and say you could go the window. Me a call you all and think I dead in there. And go round
I
there.
suffer me that suffer. But God give me the little lie.
And look at God still turn up and tell lie. You know what?
You not cook.
Where you have your 2 hands for?
Some of me left with Jasmine rice Sunday.
I don't give a damn. You go and cook yourself. Cause if I cook give you, that's tell the truth.
If me cook, my mommy tell us me I got pies, you know, so you want me cook.
But did you tell me hungry?
Oh,
Did I tell you me hungry?
anything you pull on me got pies with it. So you never get nothing yams.
Oh God have mercy. Them are picking you nowadays. 2025 picking them here. We're not good your
Me
fat.
are good about my friend.
We're not good.
Uncle,
Huh?
me are good about my friend.
You just a come from out of where you come from, you know. You tell me say yard you come from, you know. I mean I know which yard you come from. So,
Oh, yeah, me see, me so come. Me I tell myself me I go on the road. Yeah. Me. What happened?
You never tell me so you go on the road. A which man so?
Mommy,
In
one
the
of my friends me did
corner
that
you
talk to.
meet. Meet new man.
Mommy is not my man. My
I
friend.
saw you bad. I saw you good. Just come and meet new man already.
Mommy, I no man. Mommy, I have my friend.
Oh Lord, whatever first. Not the same one. Are the same one?
He's not a girl, he's my boy best friend.
So just say your boyfriend now.
Mommy is not my boyfriend.
You mean a boy?
Yes.
And are your friend?
Yes.
Say your boyfriend.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, your boyfriend and you too shy if you tell me.
Mommy is not my
He's a big
boyfriend.
girl, you know me know say your feelings. He's a big girl. Big woman.
Mommy is not my boyfriend, mommy, I'm my friend.
Alright, if you say so. If you say so. So what him name?
Timmy.
Okay. Timmy the boy that is a friend.
He's my friend.
Okay, Timmy the boy that is a friend. So where you wanna go?
I don't know, we just have to go out right out the road like this so.
Remember me tell you about the area, you know. Is
You
somebody you
just
did
said,
know
but
already or
again?
you're just meeting?
Me know him already. Me didn't know him, me and him talk over the phone and thing. Yeah, me didn't know him already.
Be careful. Here, you see people face, you know, see them heart. Me now say don't have friends because you can't be a hermit. One man is not an island or one woman is not an island. But be careful. You see with the friendly, too much friendly,
No
not
me tell you
good.
because I say me my own big man.
Yes.
Me my own decision
Yes.
myself. Me never ask you no opinion over nothing. You come in here, you did a come in here, right? You come in here,
We
you hear
can't
the
talk to you.
conversation.
We can't
And
talk
you
to you then.
start with the when remember where the L word they name, littering and thing with the word they want be.
Me do it. Me come in a good spirit. Me come in a laugh and joke with you. So me can't
but
talk
you
to you
can't
and
come
just
with
say be
friends,
careful.
like,
Me not kick off with you for go, you know. And me not say you can't go and you not figure and me just give you a little word of advice. What is wrong with that? Me tell
Me
you.
never said anything wrong with it, you know. I never said nothing wrong with it. I never said anything wrong with it. But I just the way how you behaving like I'm a child. I'm a big grown woman.
You is a big grown woman, yes. But you see me around down 50. And if my mother and father and aunties and uncles will give me a word of all big people, I'll pick me too. Because you're never too young to learn and you're never too old, young to teach and old to learn. Remember that, my girl. Me not lecturing you, me just care about you. So you have to go up on the road, Okay, you can't do everything in this boardhouse. You have to go up on the road and do things. All me just saying is be careful. Not everybody can them teach with you. Your friend here. That's all.
I heard you. Anything else?
Calculate me you're doing something wrong.
So
Just
we can
know.
go on now, okay, don't talk. Thank
All right,
you.
no problem.
Bye.
Bye.
Every day. Thanks.
That's it. Lang piece of walking that we put on.
What the? Oh, yeah, do yourself.
I'm if you ask what you want to do, sir.
Me a go about my business. I wanna do yourself.
Where you come from?
No, and you me ask what you want to do yourself.
Stop me ask you one question. What me and you? Which one order? Me the question.
No, but me
the
want to know
question
which
me.
what you are do yourself. Matter of fact, what you are do yourself.
And if you ask you what me and man are a woman.
Listen to me. You tell me say you come out of yard from morning. What you do yourself? What? I saw me start today.
I like to take your friend, mama like it.
What you do yourself? Me still ask you. Me still ask you what you do yourself.
Hey, that was the best me talk to the girl. Well, I'm move up now.
Hello, you go wait. You go wait.
Me take yourself and come over
Alright,
here.
you go wait.
As me
You know.
I like to take a girl, man. Here, we go press
You know where you come from.
Oh, alright, down the road or something.
Down the road with she.
What? Can't go show her place, you know? Remember, say,
Oh, why you problem? Hello.
I don't want to war. War over me, I'm gone, nigga.
nearly drop and drop me, pull out me here. I have to catch you again, just wait. Me have to catch you. Be happy, blood.
Why? Mommy.
And what? Jesus, I'm a dad to this. What happened? What happened? Talk to me. What?
Mommy, sit down.
What happened to you? What you hear there? What happened to you? How you coming scrappy so?
Mommy. I'm being kid in a fight. Boy. Mommy, I'm a kid in a fight.
What happened?
Boy, me and my friend Timmy did a talk, stand up for that talk.
Mm-hmm.
And the girl see me now, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
And the girl attack me. Yes, the girl attack me, mommy. The girl while I'm palm me, mommy, right now me eye them and hurt me, mommy.
One question. Who win?
Who win?
Mm-hmm.
You know, so me don't know if I'm me or she, mommy.
I hope, well, me no see no mark by you, so as
Mommy,
long as you no lose.
I don't know if I'm me win or
So
she.
hold on. I know Timmy is your boy, that is your friend.
Yes, mommy, my friend, mommy, but she thinks that me and the boy in a business because to her, she see me and the boy turn up and attack.
Mm-hmm.
The girl just come and to the ask no question. The girl just start flip up.
Jesus. Me never want this, you know. Me want God even send that angel little girl for come warn you. You see when me talk little girl, me I call you little girl now, cause this is what I'm talking about. Picnic who can't hear will feel. Me feel like this a fight over man, as a matter of fact, that is not even yours. Are you man? Talk the truth. Are you man?
No, mommy, I'm a friend, mommy.
So if you are a man,
You look so.
one of our man, come and don't tell you. The little girl tried, the angel tried to tell you. Me tried to tell you. Everybody I tell you say, she go round every man suck her out. Every man use that the mattress. It used more than Hilton Hotel.
I don't know how much else they use though.
You know, you're a big woman and you don't know what me I talk about. You want me to spell it out? Well, every man in the district go through that. Them go through, them go round and then go in front and through again.
After me just do me head in take off it.
Jesus, where you with there?
No, me here.
Some money you pay for that? No. You off a week, work for 2 weeks. You come down here, you now earn nothing for 2 weeks. God knows how much you pay for that pretty hair. And now you make dirty, dry food, piss into your dry gal. Money, gal, rip it off. At least you don't make she cut you or nothing. And this me was warning you about. Me never once I told you so, but me tell you. Our little angel girl come tell you. How you feel then now? You must feel shame, oh God. And I fight over man that does not even belong to neither, or no? Man that I have used sign pan our body. Me no know how many times him go through her and everybody else go through her. Me tell you already. You lucky son that next woman no come dash as upon you. Me tell you sir before. Show me your company, I tell you who you be. You see a company me that I try one you about. Oh God send angel down for come tell you about it. Next thing you forgot to is dream. You want another sign? You say you want God to come dream you. You want a next sign. Now you learn now. Too much friendly, no good, my baby. Me not rejoice about you fight, you know. From you not lose, you good. Me not rejoice about that, cause me not like that. But the thing hurt me, man. Especially when me did a warn you and God sent an angel for come warn you too. It's like it's almost your fault. Can you get the warning and you run straight in it? You gonna learn from this now? Alright, my baby. It's one thing to learn from your mistake, you know. When me did I try to make you know, learn from your mistake, learn from other people's mistake, then it not so hot you.
Mommy, I'm a phone me last.
Jesus Christ. You know, where the fight take place?
Mommy, right up the road, mommy.
Alright, you know go. Me I go look for your phone and your week, cause that they cost too much money and you now work for 2 weeks. You alright? Nothing hurt, nothing broke, nothing?
Oh, me, yeah, you hurt me.
Alright. Put some ice on it. Me I go. Get some ice and put on it. And when the ice cool down, rub some Vaseline on it here. And it will help. Come here.
Me love you, my baby. Me love you. And anyhow, they me see that the thing on the road. God help it. Boy, I can't find nothing, bruh. And where you are go? I dress up, I go.
I still come back though.
No, my spirit. Me
Oh,
go
me
up on the
sorry.
road yesterday and the only thing we could have find was your wig. We can't find your phone. Me even that go back. That's where me coming from, you know. Me go look and see if we could have find your phone. That's why I go. I me never make you go. Me no want you go up on the road, man, and see that dirty girl. Cause me know your temper. Me know how your head hot, you know. See how you blick your head there. Me know the signs, you know, me give birth to you. Do please let me go look for your phone again. Let me just go in
Mommy,
and
and my
breeze
phone me
up.
I go look for. It's not my phone. I'm going to look in for.
Dude, you tell me say you not go look for the dirty girl. Round 2.
No. Me look for my
Where you
same
go
friend.
look?
She same friend when she find me over here. Me I go look for.
Make things ease down first, no, man. You can't make the dust settle. Make the dust settle, man.
Those second
That's
for
why my
yesterday
spirit send me
evening.
back in up coming out all now me not find the phone. And me I look and something a plaguing and eating at me and a yamming at me and a yamming at me for come back home. Come back home now. Me just torment for come back home now. Now I know why I have to come back home. Do my daughter, me I beg you. Hey, you can't find your phone, little friend this, you go outside and me can't find you. You know what it is when my spirit give me something, you know. Do. Let me go. Don't touch the road tonight. I have a bad feeling. That's why you see me I rush home. Look how me I sweat. I fast, me walk fast, you know. My foot them a kill me, but me still walk fast because the feeling in my soul. It's in my belly. And me I feel like see me I go ban. Please don't go up on the road, baby.
Me not stay on the road. You just love worry up yourself and
You're
me
my
just stop
babe.
kill up yourself now.
All
Me
right.
not go nowhere far. I mean not even stay long much less.
Promise me something. That dirty dryad gal no work nothing here. You done the way you have to do to her. You see if you see her, just cut your eye and walk, so. Don't deal with her, no,
I hope
nothing,
she
don't
see
talk.
me and I look
Well,
at
then
me.
just walk off. Cause any insult she give you, you only take it if you accept it. You did know that? If people can throw insults all they want, it don't mean shit unless you take it. If me tell you say you is a dirty white woman, that not gonna mean nothing to you, cause you're not gonna accept the insult. So if same thing, if she won't cuss you, just box it way, man. Box it way. It don't mean nothing to you, cause no use your cuss and walk on. Please, me daughter, cause the one thing me worry about you is your temper. You promise?
Yes, me promise. Me just not stay long. And me head me just not stay. Me start walk up this and come back.
You're a big woman, me can't stop you. All I can do is advise and ask you to walk in God's name.
Yes, me go on in go lie down.
Go on.
Me still come back.
Keep an eye for your phone, member, you know.
Yes, mommy.
What me I gonna do, Lord? What me I gonna do? Jesus Christ.
So I go on and how be?
Me not gonna be.
Where your son so?
You alright, you know me that me and me brother. From one night, remember one night. From one day with the fight down there so. On the road down there so.
Girl, you are a mad girl in a youth.
And the worst thing is, you know, I'm my friend, you know. I'm my friend. And the girl not even come ask no question. Are you a woman? Like you woman?
I'll tell you the truth. One girl me I try to get rid of, but I read mad youth. Me tell her how much time to leave my place.
So afraid of her. Okay, are you the woman and she the man?
I'm not really afraid, I'm afraid of her, you know, but you know the thing set.
Understand.
But I rate your vibes more than fear.
Okay, I heard you.
You
So
know,
no man say no.
you know
And as I see one next get a pass. Zoom.
I don't know if I chew you older than her. But why? Oh,
Yeah, man.
I'm tired of it.
I don't know what to say. not the devil.
You not here? You not know yes.
So,
He beat me where you get her.
where
He
the follow
fighting
you
where
for?
happen, you not here
Beating
either.
when me get,
You
and
not
when
here.
you get.
You not here.
Wait, I want him farm power.
No, you're not here. Talk to me.
More
Where
fi know
you
if
shoot
she
me
not
now?
have anything up here yard for do.
Where you left
More
yard
fi
for?
know if
Why
she
you
not have
left the
nothing
yard?
up here yard for
Go.
do.
Where you left the yard? Say
No,
you are
hey,
go.
no come raise a voice off for
Why
me.
you
No.
say you left the yard? Go.
You afraid
So
her?
you reach
For
up
what me afraid of her
You
for?
afraid her?
You say you go downtown, so you reach up the road.
What me afraid of her for?
You say you go downtown, now you reach up the
You
road.
better come go back in her yard.
Where's something for do? Go back in the yard.
And that me tell you, come like you know age one.
Worries tonight.
You're deaf.
Where's something for do?
Worries tonight.
Go in her yard before me take some broke you.
Broke up who? Alright, come with service.
Oi. Where you come from? Where you come from?
Me want her and come off the road.
Let me ask you a question. How the hell you come up? Because me batten up the window, you know.
Uncle, you not cook more herb and come off the road.
Oh, you
Me
come
hungry.
off where? Come off where? Come
Uncle,
off
me
where?
hungry, me want come off the road.
You say about that, yeah.
You know what?
Me no know.
You want me to say where you come from?
Uncle, I don't know where me come from. Me want hurry up and come off the road. Me hungry.
Where the backside you they come from and that me a talk about where you come from?
Uncle, me I come from down the road. Me hungry.
Lord seed. Hey, God, I'm going, you're weird.
Kuya, me warn her about the dangers of this area. She take this thing for joke. Asleep now. Come man, wake up. It's so night. You know, sister. It's so night. Wake
You know,
up.
so me just see a brown friend run past us in the one brown bag.
Which friend?
This thing me I want about. Hold on.
Get up, man. Come, wake up.
And
You
the
know,
blood
sister,
this,
night to come.
And I blood this.
No, baby! Baby, no! No! My baby, God, no! No, wake up! Wake up! Jesus, no! Wake up! Baby, don't leave me. Oh, God. Baby, come. Wake up. No. Wake up. And I'm a baby. Wake up, try to help me. Help! Wake up, baby. Wake up. No! God, no. Wake up. The baby, wake up. No, come. Get up, baby. Please. For mommy. Get up. Get up, baby. Get up. For mommy, get up. Come, baby. Come, baby. Come. Get up, baby. It's me. Oh, God. Help! It's me. It's mommy. Come, baby. Come. Get up, baby. Get up. Come now. No. Come. You must have like a life in you. Come, baby. Where water there? Baby, come. Come, baby. Come. Baby, no. Baby, come. Wake up.